an ancient rock carving, a majestic lighthouse, and vast, stunning natural landscapes. We're exploring possibly the most beautiful island of Hong Kong, and this is John and Vern. Welcome to the final episode of the Island Exploration Series. This is George.
This is Sunday. Hi everyone.
So today we come to Tung Lung Chau and we're gonna do a full loop around the island. Are you ready for that?
Yes, I am.
Let's go. Hong Kong is well known for its soaring skyscrapers and congested metropolis maze, but with more than 250 outlying islands, they are just one ferry ride away from the concrete jungle. There is a lot to explore on some of these deserted islands. In this series of Journey, I'm going to visit 5 different offshore islands of Hong Kong. In this final episode of the series, we take a 40-minute cruise from Sam Ga Chuen Ferry Pier, which only operates on weekends, and make our way to Tung Lung Chau, an island that's located off the tip of the Clear Water Bay Peninsula. Starting from the ferry pier, we decide to turn right and circumnavigate the entire island in an anti-clockwise direction. It's a relaxing walk on the well-paved path until we see the endless steps. It's very steep. The stairs bring you all the way down to the largest rock carving in Hong Kong, consisting of torture slides to represent a dragon. Okay, so behind us is the largest rock carving in Hong Kong. It was made like 3,000 years ago. But what's even more stunning, what's even more beautiful, it's the view in front of us. Look at this, look at this. Looking out to Junk Bay, the magnificent view down here is definitely worth the total of 1,000 steps we had to first conquer. After a short break, we walk the same way back up and head over to Ta Phong Point, a peninsula situated at the southern tip of the island. The view opens up as we cross the picturesque bay. So in this series, I have been to 4 different islands and I have been to many beautiful places in Hong Kong, but none of them can compare to Tung Lung Chau. Just look at the view here. Whew. It's amazing. And at this moment, I just want to sing a song for Tung Lung Chau. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. You are beautiful, Tung Lung Chau. I have to stop singing because the stunning views of Tung Lung Chau just took my breath away. Passing through a radio station, we do a small loop around Peninsula and we turn back to the main island. It's a relaxing hike on the ridge with silver glass swaying along the way. Yeah, so we have now come up to the top of Tung Lung Chau, and then we're now heading back down to the campsite, back to the ferry pier. So not too far to go. Let's go. After a steep hike through the bushes, we walk through a grocery store and arrive at the campsite. Further down from the campsite, the majestic lighthouse of Tung Lung Chau stands tall at the northern tip of the island, guiding the ships sailing by. We take a short break at the grocery store and wait for the ferry to take us home. So that's the end of this episode. I gotta say, Tung Lung Chau draws a perfect full stop to the entire series. So I just mentioned that this is the most beautiful place in Hong Kong I've ever been to. But I gotta say, this is actually the most beautiful place in the world I have ever been to. What do you think, Sunday?
Yeah, I think the scene is totally worth the hike. It starts out on a flat and smooth concrete path.
Yeah.
But the downhill is slippery and steep. But overall, I love Tung Lung Chau.
We love Tung Lung Chau. Okay, so as always, if you like our show, don't forget to like our Facebook page and go subscribe our YouTube channel. And we're on Instagram now, so Go search Drone and Fern DP on Instagram and you will find us. So for now, my name is George.
I'm Sunday.
And this is Drone and Fern. Tung Lung Chau, you are beautiful!